I first started using Quore when I first came into the hospitality industry, which was a second career for me. I started as a tech, and so I started using Quore as just a to-do list. And then it was actually fairly easy for me to use. I'd used Salesforce before, so it was very similar as far as a task management tool. So I loved it right off from the beginning. Quore is so much easier than using a paper system because you can just punch it in, you carry your phone with you anyway for notes or information like that, or people texting you to do certain things, and it's right there. Quore helps me with tracking the work orders and seeing trends with different items that go wrong in rooms. Quore helps me know how techs are utilizing their time in PMs and how long it takes them to do certain items like a room PM. Quore is great at letting you know what's a priority. For example, a guest request, it dings you in every 3 or 5 minutes, and so you can go take care of their needs immediately. Quore has really helped us improve communications between departments, not only between other departments and us, but us and front desk, us and housekeeping to engineering. Quore has helped us address the changes in the shifts over the years, mainly by getting more detailed on what we do as far as, say, the room inspections, making sure things have been sprayed and cleaned and gone through the protocol that Marriott mandates for us to use in each room. Quore definitely helps us maintain brand standards. Marriott has a certain criteria on addressing guests, and that's part of the training in putting in a work order. We make sure that they put in the guest name, what they want, when they want. Are they going to be out of the room? Did they want service immediately? Do they want service after a certain time? So when you get there, you can say, hey, Mr. Jones, I see you having trouble with your TV. And those are the things that Marriott likes to see, is their name and can we help you do anything else? And it makes them feel that they're seen and heard. We've had a lot of turnover in housekeeping, as I think a lot of hotels during the post-COVID season has. And so just for us to say, put it in Quore, when they have an issue come up, they know they can just put it in Quore, it rings us immediately, and we go right in there. Oh, Quore definitely increases guest satisfaction, because there have been many times when I'll get a Quore guest request, and I'll be on that same floor, and I'll go up and I'll have everything I need with me, and I'll go up, knock on the door, knock, 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 engineering, wow, that was fast. So if you're walking down the hall and they say, hey John, I've got this, you need to go check out that lock, put it in Quore. And I'm sure people mock me when I say that all the time, but it works.